Hey everyone, welcome back to Boost Your Income with Bootstrap to WordPress. This lecture is called Creating Your Underscores Starter Theme. All right, now that we've downloaded WordPress, very simple lecture, probably my favorite simple lecture, we're going to start getting into the heavier stuff. Although this lecture is a little bit lightweight as well. It does get pretty intense, but that's great. No pain, no gain when it comes to this stuff. Okay, so basically what we're going to do is we're going to use a starter theme called Underscores, and the URL is underscores.me. And basically what they do is give you just a starter template for a WordPress theme. There's nothing in it. It doesn't have a theme pre-built. It's not like when you go to themeforest.com and you buy a WordPress theme that a developer built. It's just a skeleton, bare bones theme structure so that you can build on top of it. It gives you all the default WordPress PHP templates that you need to code. It gives you a basic style sheet that you can add your own styles to. It's just a bare bones, plain starter theme so that you can build your own theme on top. The reason why you want this is because it's going to save you so much time, literally hours and hours and hours and hours, and so much of a headache. I don't know why you wouldn't start with this. Most of the developers that I know who build custom WordPress themes start with, in fact, underscores because it saves so much time. And the bigger the project, the more hours you're going to save. So don't reinvent the wheel because it's already here for you and you don't need to be a hero. Basically, starter theme called Underscores, meant for hacking. Don't use me as a parent theme. Instead, try turning me into the next most awesome WordPress theme out there, which is what we are about to do. Ultra minimal CSS and well-commented HTML5 templates, 404 template, sample headers, and a bunch of other fun stuff that we can use when we're coding our WordPress themes. So head to underscores.me, and what we're going to do is just create our underscores theme. So the theme name, let's call it Bootstrap to WordPress. Theme slug, Bootstrap, the number 2 WordPress. It can be whatever, but I wanted to call it Bootstrap to WordPress. And if you could keep it the same as me, it might be easy for you so that in the future, when we're doing these lectures, maybe you might see that my code's a little bit different than yours because you might have called your theme something different or have a different slug. So keep it the same for now, and in your future WordPress themes, you could do whatever you want. Author, Brad Hussey, you can put your name, author URI, that is your website, and a custom WordPress theme using Bootstrap. Don't sassify because we're not going to be using Sass, we're just using CSS. Generate that and you will get a download with your Bootstrap to WordPress starter theme. Here it is. You have all of the basic pages and templates that we're going to be using. 404, archive, comments, basic content pages, footer, functions, very important. We have an includes folder with a few things if we wanted to do some stuff like that. JS folder, some layouts. Basically, we're going to use this skeleton template to create our own theme. So basically that's it. And basically in the next lecture, we are going to install WordPress, get it started on our local server, and we're going to install our starter theme so that we can actually get started and get into the good stuff. See you there.